Andrew Holness has declared more state of emergencies than all previous prime ministers combined.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
With the declaration of states of public emergency in Clarendon and St. Catherine, Prime Minister Andrew Holness has earned the record of declaring as many state of emergencies as all of his predecessors combined. As the administration struggles to grapple with Jamaica's crime problem, Prime Minister Holness has used the measure as many times in his tenure as it was used previously throughout Jamaica's post-independence. Before January 18, 2018, when Prime Minister Andrew Holness declared a state of emergency in St. James, Jamaica had experienced the enhanced security measure 5 times in its post-independence history. The first was declared by Prime Minister Alexander Bustamante in 1966 as a response to the increasing political violence in West Kingston. The measure was next controversially used by Prime Minister Michael Manley in June of 1976, lasting to June the next year. That is the longest state of emergency in Jamaica's history so far. States of emergency were then declared briefly in 2004 and 2007 in response to Hurricanes Ivan and Dean. Another infamous state of emergency was declared in the 2010 run-up to the extradition of Tivoli Gardens strongman Christopher Dodoscoke, leading to the Tivoli incursion. That is 5 state of emergencies in 56 years of Jamaica's history, one each by 5 different prime ministers. However, Prime Minister Holness himself has declared 5 state of emergencies in just 2 years. The first and longest of his tenure to date was declared in St. James in January of 2018.
The Governor General has signed a proclamation dated and effective 18th of January 2018. A state of public emergency is now in effect for the parish of St. James.
It ended, some believe, prematurely in January of 2019. Another was declared for the St. Catherine North Police Division, also in 2018.
A state of public emergency has been declared in the St. Catherine North Police Division, effective Sunday, March 18th.
Holness then implemented another state of emergency in September of 2018 to cover 3 police divisions in the corporate area.
His Excellency the Governor General has declared a state of public emergency for the Police Division of St. Andrews South.
The Prime Minister again reimposed the enhanced security measure in St. James and extended the boundaries to include Hanover and Westmoreland in April of this year.
His Excellency the Most Honorable Sir Patrick Linton Allen has declared that a state of public emergency exists in the community of the entire area comprising the parishes of St. James, Hanover, and Westmoreland.
His 4th SOE was declared on the 7th of July in the St. Andrews South Police Division, and he again announced on Thursday of this week his 5th state of emergency to cover the parishes of St. Catherine and Clarendon.
The Governor General has so declared that a state of public emergency exists in the communities specified in the schedule, that is to say, the entire area comprising the parishes of Clarendon and St. Catherine.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.